Back to talk about a correct draw practice, something you should absolutely work on. You should perfect it. The idea is that if you draw to the point of muscle memory, then when you actually do have to employ it, or in our case where we're trying to test and be accurate, the faster you draw, the more time you have to sight it in and get that good solid sight picture or press the trigger. Some ranges will not allow you to draw from your holster at the range. I understand that, respect the rules of yours. We're lucky, we're really fortunate that our particular lets us draw, so it makes all of our tests more seamless. If you cannot get to the range due to weather, expense, whatever else, you can still practice drawing at home. The recommendation is to set up a completely safe, secure location that you always do your practice in. Do not have ammo anywhere near you. Make sure your weapon is completely cleared, or get yourself one of these little practice, call them either red guns or blue guns, or even if it's not a red color, it's still sometimes called a red gun. But you take your red gun and you can actually get in the habit of drawing and pointing in, even with this, even if you're not on the, even if there's nothing going today. One more thing is when you're setting up a practice scenario, you actually have a target to go at. I like to use just like a Dixie cup with an A on the bottom of it and stick it up on the mantle. Do not point in on something that's valuable to you, electrical, and when you begin to practice, state to yourself, I am now beginning my dry practice for the day. And when you're done, say, I am now completed, or I'm now finished with my dry practice of the day. Mentally set yourself up, have your ammo completely in another room, if not even not in the house. Make sure your gun is completely empty, nothing is chambered. You do your practice draws, you say that you're finished, and you move on with your day. Starting to get a little cold, but I'm gonna break it down, the draw by the number, okay? Count number 1, your support hand into the center mass of your body. You want to get it out of the way. You don't want your fingers too splayed. You want to be in the center here, ready to go. Your hand sweeps away your concealment garment. You want to clear so that you can drive down. That is still count number 1. So 1 is here, down. That's 1. Number 2, you break up from your holster. You want to clear it. We don't want to be too low, but you want to break it up from it and you want to clear it. That's count 2. Count 3, you turn and you're pointed downrange towards your target. Count 4, you are moving towards and you are starting to build that sight picture. You are on hard focus on that front. To safely reholster, you want to clear your garment. If you have a sweatshirt, you'll pull it up, but you want to clear your garment from your holster, and you will make sure your hand is more in your center mass again, and you're just going to drive it straight down. So it's from here, you are back, and here. To clear your garment, you are, good time to look and pause and make sure there's nothing around that's a bad guy, and turn it and straight down. Drift your finger away so you don't pinch yourself. When you're practicing at the range or at home, it's best to practice step by step by the numbers. Work up your speed so that when you are in a testing environment, you're doing it smooth and fast, up to as fast as you can, again allowing you more time for your sight picture. So a little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and press. So to draw correctly by the number, count 1, sweep away your concealment garment, hand is at the center mass of your body, you sweep it away and you're down. That is count 1. Count 2, break free of your holster. Count 3, you're forward, pointed downrange towards your target. Count 4, you slowly move forward, your hand here begins that process. 4, all the way to 5, you are on target, on trigger, and you do a press. Press and trap, reset it, and press for your second shot. Finger straight, down to the ready, clear the garment, back in your holster.